people are going to the convention this year?
I saw her last night. No. There you go.
I saw 2 people raise their hands. They said, I'm going, and we're going, and I don't know about everybody else.
Ooh, yeah.
So y'all make sure to go over there and check out Ricardo and Sarah. They are the people for the Tejano Music Convention, so they've got all the info y'all need. This year, the 5th annual, they're celebrating by bringing it back to Texas.
There we go.
Right, dude? They're actually going to bring back the check this out. How many of y'all remember La Sombra? Come on, everybody, say stop, stop. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, right.
Let's try it one more time. Come on, everybody, say stop, stop. Okay, well, they're coming back. Gavino and Tony. Remember that, dude?
Dude, you were in their fan club, right?
Dude, I had the long hair, and I had the patent leather shoes. I had it all,
there you
dude.
go.
I even had one of them little, the Bulga trumpets.
Did you have a Sombra bobblehead? No.
They had a cassette. The
Oh, yeah.
cassette. The cassette, man.
Well, it's about that time again. We're going to take you on a ride. We're going to take you back to 1974. And I wasn't even born yet. But
Shoot, I wasn't even
I think Jay was around, right? Right, Jay? Smiley. Hi. We're going to take you back to 1974. Oldies but goodies. Recordando el pasado. See if you guys remember these songs. ¿Qué es un cigarro de hoja? What is that? We used to have some neighbors. And I said, what's that smell, Ma? She says, oh, they're meditating. Well, when I was in high school, I started meditating too. Come on now. We all did that once or twice, right? Come on.
Once.
Oh, you still doing it? Oh, hell no. Alright, who was I? I'm sorry. That just distracted me. It brought back a lot of memories, you know. Para que tú me entendieras y ay, chaparrita de oro. Estrellita marinera, dime a dónde está Cupido. Porque esta chaparrita quiero ser su consentido. Chaparrita, casualidad. Al vacío del dolor que me quedó, por las horas y mesas del recuerdo, te voy a dedicar esta canción. Ya no te espero y aquí